Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Tuesday, July the 21st. Well, an interesting day's trading again today, and the feature that really strikes us is the size of the candle body. The candle body is very, very small compared to the majority of the trading days in this first time frame uptrend. At least the candle body is still green, so it means that the bulls were in the ascendancy for the day. And that means that the bulls have made some net gain on the day. But it's a very small body, which means that the bulls have made a very small net gain. Now, it's not bearish, but it's certainly not the sort of candle that you'd like to see in an uptrend. And it certainly is the type of candle that we can potentially see at the end of an uptrend. Now, it's interesting that this high of the market has actually coincided exactly with the high of this major swing, which was at 9.56, and there was some downside price rejection as the market tried to trade up through there, couldn't trade up through there. Now, this candle is very similar to what we call a hanging man. It's not quite correct. A hanging man doesn't have any shadow on the top. There's a very small shadow here, so we can give this a little bit of leeway. So it is a potential reversal signal here, and it's a reversal signal because the bulls have made little net gain. What you want to see in a first time frame uptrend is the bulls increasingly making larger and larger net gain. Here we can see that they've made a solid net gain, very small, solid, getting a bit smaller, no net gain, even smaller net gain than the previous one here, and now once again. And that's usually how trends terminate. It is some sort of indication of a termination of the trend. So the odds are in favour of this being the end of this new first time frame upswing. It doesn't mean that it will end, but the probability is that it will end. Now, the way that we trade this is that we need to be aware of what the current candle's low is. If that low is taken out and the market closes down below there, then there's every likelihood that the market will trade down to the Kumo here, to the top of the Kumo, and that's a potential area of support. We need to watch the high of the current candle. If that's taken out solidly and the market closes up above around 960, then as I've said previously, the market should trade up to about 1,000. Now, this level, 956, was a big level that everyone was watching. So it's little wonder that the market couldn't trade up above there. So it really depends on the psychology of the market participants over the next day or so. Very important day's trading coming up. So if we have a solid close up above 960, then the market will continue trading up. If we take out the low of the current candle, we should find support down at the top of the Kumo.